Hi, Algebra kids. This is Dr. Callahan with week 3 Tuesday. I hope you guys had a good weekend with Monday off for MLK Day. This is going to be your warm-up block, so go ahead and pause it and answer the following 3 questions. Okay, let's go ahead and create your assignment for Algebra 1. I'm going to go over to Algebra, and we're going to go to Assignment. There we go. And even though we have the hybrid days, just keep in mind that you need to watch the assignment with the videos and whatnot to get everything set up correctly and adequately. So let's go ahead and click on assignment. We're going to go ahead and create this assignment, which is week 3, Tuesday, Algebra 1, Semester 2. And the topic today we're going to be discussing is going to be on a continuation of exponential functions, but it is going to be with real life problems. Solving exponential function with real life applications. So what you need to do is let's go ahead and grab your instructions. Okay, and so this is going to be your instructions for today, week 3, Tuesday. 2 different links, one's for the YouTube channel, the other one's for the Google Doc for this class. If you need to make up any assignment, just go to the Google Doc for makeups. All right, 10 points. And it is always due on that Tuesday by 3:30. Actually, it's going to be 3 p.m. There we go. And let's go ahead and assign. All right, you guys, let's now go ahead and proceed forward with today's stuff. So as I am looking at this here, if let's go ahead and move on to the next part here. Here are the answers for your warm-up. Go ahead and take a look at this and match them. Last time we saw you guys, we talked about solving exponential equations where we have to have the same base in order to take the exponents down and solve them. We went over several practice questions, such as these over here. Let's go ahead and go over them. Here are my answers for 1 to 15 odds. So pause the video and take a look at your answers and take a look at mine. Here are my answers for the evens, 2 to 18. So take a moment and glance at them. And then, of course, we went over the matching of the exponential equations. So here are my answers for them. You were supposed to match the graph to the description to the equation itself, and there were 8. And just if you take a look at this part right here, just keep in mind that the C always determines whether it's going right or left. The D makes the determination of the graph going up and down. If it's a negative A in front of the 3, it's reflective over the x-axis. And if the B here is a negative, it's reflective over the y-axis. This will be the part that we're going to be talking about today. So take a look at the breakdowns for 5 different tasks for today's assignment. All right, go ahead and turn over to your notes here. Page 1, page 2, page 3. So let's go ahead and get started. it is your 16th birthday. It's coming up, and your grandmother is going to give you two choices. Okay, I love grandmothers to give you choices. On your birthday, she's going to give you $10 into account for you, and each month she will go ahead and add $5 more, but you can't take any money out, obviously, because she wants you to make savvy decisions and save your money. Option 2 is that she is going to give you $1 in the account for each month. After that, she's going to double that amount in the bank. So which one do you think will be a better choice? So take a moment. I want you guys to take a look at question number 1. Make an instinct-based prediction. What would be better to take, choice 1 or choice 2? All right, I hope you went ahead and made a decision. Make sure you gave me a description of which one you think will be a better choice. Now for number 2, we're gonna go ahead and fill out some data and do some math to see which one is a better choice actually, okay? So let's take a look at the first one. For the first one, think about it. She's gonna give you $10. Every month, she's gonna go ahead and add $5 more. So month 1's $10. Month 2 is 10 plus 5, so $15. Month 3, it's gonna be $20. Month 4, it's gonna be $25. Month 5, it's gonna be $30. Okay, so then let's go ahead and graph this. So this is the graphing zone, and when I go ahead and graph it, I am going to have the dollar amount right here. I'm going to have the months right here. So month 0, it is going to be $10. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to switch this. Just kidding. Dollar amount. And with a dollar amount, let's start off with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. On the x-axis, it is going to be months. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 0 months, it is $10. 2 months, it's going to be $15. 3 months, it's going to be $20. 4 months, $25. 5 months, $30. So if I draw my line, it's a pretty straight line. Now let's take a look at option number 2. Okay, for option number 2, you're looking at months 1, in which case you start out with $1 at 0 months, but then it's going to double to $2, 2, double to $4, 3, double to $5, 4, double to $6. Okay, so far, oh, I'm sorry, I did not double that, just kidding. 8 and then 16. So now let's go ahead and graph this. So we're going to put the dollar signs right here on the left side. And on the left side, you're going to have $0. Let's do 10. Or actually, let's start with 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. And at the bottom over here, it's going to be the number of months, which is going to start at 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's plot this. 0 months, total amount is $1. At 1 month, it's $2. At 2 months, it's $4. 3 months, it goes up to $8. 4 months, all the way up to $16. So then if I go ahead and I connect them together, then it will look something like this. Kind of like a curve. So this is what you should have. Make sure you guys copy this part down. Okay, Evaluate the specifics. How much money will you have for each choice after 6 months? And then go ahead and justify your answer. So let's go ahead and think about that. Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following questions. How about 10 months? How many months will it take to reach at least $100 for each of the choices? Justify your answers. And what are some realities of the scenarios? Are there limitations or drawbacks for each choice? Well, let's think about this then. If I decide to go ahead and continue with this, and actually I'm going to go ahead and move a few things around here. Give me 1 second here. Okay, so if you were to actually use choice 1, and this is what it is, okay? With choice 1, we are going to keep on adding that $5 every single month. And so then by month, let's say 5, you're going to get $35. Month 6, $40. Month 7, $45. Month 8, $50. Month 9, $55. Month 10, $60. Okay, so in 10 months, well, let's just keep going then. 11, or day, is it day? Or yeah, no, month. 65. So in 1 year, you're going to get $70 from your grandma if you go ahead and use option number 1 or choice 1. Now let's go ahead and compare that with choice 2 and see where this gets us. Be choices number 1 versus choices number 2. All right, so let's take a look at this part here. Okay, and what choice 2, if you take a look at this right here, month 4, you're getting $16. Month 5, you're doubling to $32. Month 6, you're doubling to $64. So already you guys kind of like, it's getting closer. Month 7, already at this point, $128. So in month 7, you are actually earning more than 12 months with choice 1. So month 8, 256. Month 9, 512. Month 10, 1024. Month 11, 2048. In month 12, you will get a 68904. So 12 months, your grandmother is going to be paying you $4,096 versus option 1, which she's going to give you a measly $70. Okay, so let's go back to this. How many months would it take to reach at least $100 for each choice? Well, looking at this part right here, well, to me, to get to $100 with option 2, it takes 7 weeks or 7 months, excuse me. Now, with option 1, I don't know, it's going to take you a little bit longer because you're going to have to go to month 13, which is only going to give you $75, 14, which is going to give you $80, 15, $85, 16, $90, 17, $95, 18, and then you get to $100. So 18 months with choice 1 versus 7 months with choice 2, and you're actually going to get more. You're going to get an extra 28 bucks because you're getting $128. Now, what are some realities of the scenarios? What are some limitation and drawback for each choices? Well, I would think that choice 2 is awesome because you're doubling your money. Because could you imagine in month 13, your grandmother is going to have to give you $8,192. So I think that's actually a really good deal for the most part. The drawback is you're really going to break the bank for your grandmother. So that will be really unfortunate. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the next part. If you hear my little girl in the background, she woke up from her nap. I'm sorry. All right, so next what I have you guys do is the following. This is your exit ticket. Take the right steps. Let's take the right steps. What can you improve your understanding of what you learned today? And what I want you guys to do is on your desk or on a piece of paper, draw a light bulb. Inside the light bulb, I want you to write 2 suggestions you can give for future freshmen, 1 mistake you would never make again, and 1 event that you wish you attended before COVID happened. So go ahead and answer those questions on a separate piece of paper. Okay, so then what I want you guys to do is go ahead and take a look at this part here. Here's another question that's very similar to the first one that we just went over in class. I want you guys to try it on your own. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. As always, stay safe and healthy. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.